Welcome, everybody. We are an organization that believes project can solve everything, which can be done if you do it right. This is the motto of the operations team in this organization, patch and pray. So if it doesn't work, we will do it in the next project, no issue. That's the motto of the security team, duck and cover. If it's not in this project, we will fix it in the next one. So it's just working, kind of. No one is really happy. We could do it better. So everyone who knows what he's doing, thank you for the previous talk, pay some externals. I'm Timo. I was one of those externals about 6 or 7 years ago, so I can now talk very openly about that. It was basically the situation when I lost all my trust in projects. But at this point, it's an organization that works with projects, so let's do another one, but this time we do it good, right? We streamline everything and we clean it up. We learn from our mistakes. We won't do planning theater. We do it right. So we calculate FTEs, 0.2 FTE security, 1.3 FTEs operations, again, high. It's me, also some project management, because we need to get this budget rolling and make sure that we actually use it. That's most important. And then we do meetings, things, steering, alignment, sounding boards, stand-ups, and all the good stuff. Probably don't remember all of that, but we did. It was great. Very clean, very sophisticated. Nobody really cared about the outcome, but that's not the point of a project, right? The point of a project is you have documentation and you have a clearly defined path to a deadline within budget. So would be nice to have, but at the end it was successful. The deadline was fine, the budget was fine, so I guess we're happy, right? Great. We had something that we did not anticipate. We actually enjoyed working with each other. That's a side effect of a project, not the goal, of course. And we really worked together as a team. And over time, we became better and better doing it. But the project was over. So it was great. So maybe, again, sometime there will be follow-up budget. Would be really great. Right. Success story from the beginning to the end. Surely there's a better way. Please? I mean, it's nice. We had budget. We used it. Our employer was very happy. But somehow there has to be a better way to do this. Somehow, I guess. So we did the next reasonable thing. And we said, well, we are externals, so you can blame us for everything that will go wrong. That's kind of the idea. We will try to build a team instead. So we will take the people that actually know how to work together. We will increase the transparency between these people, and we will basically stop reporting. We will go to the steering committee and do a slide on traffic lights and everything, but we'll just take the risk one time. We will not talk about deadlines anymore. We will talk about life cycles. We had deadlines on the project, everything, but within the team, we just stopped doing that. Talked about the life cycle, how to improve that, how to get better at it over time. And we started to build it together. So we did not think about who's responsible. We just talked to each other. And we improved and we made mistakes and we learned from that. We reported nothing of that to the steering committee. But we started to actually care about the results. And not because there was documentation that made sure who's responsible at the end and who's to blame. But we built together. It just gives you a feeling of ownership that is not possible to do when you just do a project plan. So over time, we realized we stopped talking about the project and the platform. We started to talk about our platform and our ideas and our features. And not because there was some slide that did it, but because it came over time just by collaboration. So as a side effect of this idea, in the end, we were a real team, meaning we had a shared vision by talking, collaborating, and just improved on that and helped each other. So whenever you have an option somehow to kill part of a project and build a team, make the world a better place, kill everything you can, and focus on the people you work with. If you want a little bit more nuance, or if you need arguments, if you want to discuss with your manager, reach out to me. Thank you very much. Thank you for the invitation. That was.